Hello everybody. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a straight through cable. Now the standard that we will be using is T-568B. Now of course we will need a cable. This is a Cat 6 cable. We'll need two RJ45 connectors, and of course we'll need some tools. So the first thing we'll need to do is we're going to go ahead and have to cut off a piece of this jacket. So we'll go ahead and get this little tool here. Spin it one complete way. And there's a jacket. Very simple. Okay. Inside we do have our twisted pairs. So I'm going to go ahead and separate them. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is a plastic here. So what we'll do is we'll use our scissors to cut this plastic off. Be careful not to nick or cut any of the other cables. Alright, so we have our cables here. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to go ahead and untwist them. So yes, we'll go ahead and see you in a little bit. Alrighty, so now that they're untwisted, so the standard that we're going to be using, like I said, is the T-568B, which would be white orange, orange, then it would be white green, blue, green, white brown, and brown. So what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and grab all of these, bring them together, straighten them out. Now, what works for me is I use my nail to go ahead and set it at the base of where I cut the jacket, and I'm going to go ahead and cut right at the tip of it. Use my tool here. Go ahead and cut that off. There we go. Okay. Straight line cut. And get one of the RJ45 connectors. Next thing, of course, we're going to go ahead and slide it in. So I just want to let you know, you will slide it in like this. So it won't be like this. It won't be this way. It will be facing down, belly up. And we'll go ahead and slide it in. Make sure all the cables are going in correctly. Tuck in the jacket. And we're going to go ahead and crimp it. Go. And there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and yeah, we'll see you in a little bit. And as you can see, we have both sides already crimped. I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit closer. So as you can see, they're straight through. So it's basically, it's the same thing. So it's going to be white orange, orange, and then white green, blue, green, and white brown, brown. So it's going to be basically on the same side, so it's going to be identical. This is a straight through. So what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and test it. Little small, very inexpensive tester. So I'll go ahead and connect it here. So we'll connect one end to the RJ45 connector, and of course to the other side. So what will happen is it should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if there's any skips, so like let's say if it goes 1 and it doesn't do 2 and it does 3, that means that one of the cables isn't connected correctly. So you may have to do, you may have to redo this connector. So let's go ahead and test out this cable and see what happens. It's going to go ahead and start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, it did the exact same thing over here. So that's how it tells you that this cable is good to go. There we go. So that's how you go ahead and do a straight through cable. I hope you enjoyed.